Face. Look at that face. Look at that. Look at that face. Give me that. Give me that.
Mark did mention that he's going to come by the shop and pick up my work in 2 days, so I feel like I better get to it. I don't want to show him anything I'm not really proud of.
Hey, Chrissy, come on back.
Give that back to me.
Wow, that looks so cool. When Chrissy was talking about her dragon, she was kind of like rattling off ideas, and one of them was to have like a breathing dragon and having it turning into like a hoop of fire. But she also told me that she wanted the mouth closed, so I just drew like the fire coming off the body and making a circle of flames at the top.
When the sensitive was put on my body, there were some changes, but it came across so well. It was just so beautiful. I wouldn't want to change a thing.
I try to take a shower and stuff. The sweat just keeps pouring off of me. That's solid weight loss.
Here you go.
Alright. Give that to me. Give that to me.
Oh my goodness gracious. It'll be okay. Just keep breathing. Oh yeah, don't hurt. How long did it take you to get this tradition? I've been visiting for almost 8 years now. Non-stop. All my living rooms have become dance studios and factories.
Hemi, don't eat that plastic.
My career is hula dancing. I teach hula dance. I design food and I fire dance.
What was it like the first time you did like the fire hula hoop?
First time I did the fire hula hoop, I was so scared I couldn't do it. Really. Now, I don't care. Just light it up. So fun. You get a total rush from performing with fire. I love it. It's very inspiring and addicting. People call it a fire high. So now I play with fire a lot, which is crazy. I never thought I'd be good at hula hooping and that someone would actually pay you. That's super cool. I always feel like that, like with catching. It's like, I get paid to draw on people. Like, yeah, it makes me feel like a little kid. You know? Right.
There.
Okay, Chrissy Rose, why don't you get up and take a look at this dragon? Ooh, yeah.
Shake. 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 Shake.
Oh my God.
Good boy.
Amazing.
Good boy.
I wanted and then some. Now that my tattoo is done, I feel fantastic. And the flaming swirly fire up on my shoulder is beautiful. And in listening to this tattoo, I will be reminded of how lucky I am that I get to live further than me and that I can express other people on how to do things and hopefully that changes their lives a little bit, just like this tattoo.
This is perfect for you, Diet.
So, I'll see you in class? Yeah, me and I think a couple of
Cranberry
others.
juice.
I'm going to drag some people with me. Chrissy Rose is going to this good class and I'm like really eager to do it. Keep practicing, keep it up.
Get it, Hemi.
See ya. Bye.
Get your beef stick. Hemi, get your beef stick.
Weightless and graceful. This is easy. I can do that. After Kim's quiet left, she left us with a hoop here, and Kim's really getting into it. No, so she teaches. Like, we want to take a class. Will you guys go with me? Yeah.
I believe we wear tutus.
Tube socks?
Tube socks.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, Lucy.
Tube socks.
Hello. Going on. You know some style?
I haven't hula hooped in forever.
Do you know hula hoop?
Sort of.
Can you do it?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Lord.
Let's bring it. Okay, step back.
Okay.
That's too much.
You're all right.